Hello and welcome to this new video of Power BI beginner series. In today's video, we are going to discuss a DAX function which is generate series. Now, sometime what happens, you have a requirement that you want to generate a set of numbers. To generate a set of number, the function which we can use is generate series in DAX. So how to use that and how can we create a series of number? Let's find out. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to create a new table. So you can go to the modeling tab and you can click on new table there. And once you click on the new table, you will get it. Now I can call it, let's say, series table, or I can give any name. Let me give a series name. Now I want to say generate series. So I get generate all, generate series. Generate series is something which I would like to explore here. So there is a start value, there is an end value, and incremental interval. So let's start with very basic 1 comma 100 comma 1. So this is what I want. I want to generate a series which is 1 to 100. I come here into the data view and look at this. So 1 to 100, all numbers are generated. So this is basically series of all the numbers. Let's say I want to generate, I say plus 2. So then I should be able to generate a series of odd numbers. So somebody wants to generate a series of odd numbers. This is how you can generate a series of odd numbers. You want to generate a series of even numbers. So start with the even number, then increment, and then you can do it like this. Now, this is a simple way you can generate a series. Now, sometime what happens, let me give you one example. I am generating this series, let's say 1 to 24. And I want to use it with something else where I would, need some additional text in front of it. So let's say I generated this value and I want, let's say this should be called month 1, month 2, month 3. Let's say you are creating a visual where you need these names as month 1, month 2, month 3, and you generated that name in the column, and now you want to create a dimension also for that, or you just have numbers, you want to give a name here in this one. So what we can do here is we can go and say add columns. Now once I do add column, then I can add a column. So I add a column, let's say month number. I go here and comma, and I say in the double quotes I will give month, and I give a space here and I say ampersand value. I close add columns. I get this one, but you will see a little bit of problem here, like 1, 2, 3. Rest all are 2 digit. This 1, 2, 3 is something which is only 1 digit. I want to show, let's say 0, 1. The second is there is a sorting problem. Definitely 1 and 10 will come together. That we can resolve by making a sort column. So that we can resolve. But in any case, I would like this to be shown as 0, 1, 0, 2. So what I'm going to do is, let me try something which is known as format function. I use format function. In the format function, the second argument, which is I'm going to give 0, 0. So I would like the 0 to be forced whenever for 2 digits. So I get a 2-digit number now. Okay. So now I got a number which is like month 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, and then this is now self sortable. In this case, I don't need a sort column for this one. So wherever there is a need where you want to append prefix 0, this is something which you can go and try it out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.